Definitely your cup of tea more than mine, but it does look like drier air is going to move in as that cold front has passed through, still leaving behind just a little bit of a drizzle for some, all before those wind gusts really start to ramp up. Here's that large area of low pressure that brought us that severe weather yesterday. Also a couple showers and thunderstorms this morning. Cold front moved through already. This is going to continue to move further to the east as it moves away from the area. Right now, though, closer to home, still seeing a couple of those spotty showers, really just drizzles at this point. Plus, of course, we're still dealing with the cloud cover as your wind gusts are slowly starting to ramp up. Some of us already gusting over 30 miles an hour, 36 miles an hour for the gusts in DeKalb, 35 near Sterling, about 35 as well within Rockford. It's time to hang on to those hats because these winds are only going to start to increase. We are still, of course, looking at the cloudier skies, though, so plenty of cloud cover. This is really the image that we're going to continue to see as your temperatures are also sitting within those mid to upper 50s. We'll end up climbing a few degrees with the winds then peaking once we get closer to the late afternoon. 4 o'clock gusting near 40 miles an hour, then slowly starting to settle, but really not by much. Still gusting near 30 miles an hour by 8 o'clock. It's really not until tonight do we slowly start to see the winds starting to settle. Any activity that you might still see from the morning will slowly start to dry out. Will turn rather breezy, though, as temperatures reach back for those low 60s. We drop into the 40s overnight. Cloud cover still with us. Your winds start to settle. A little less gusty for Thursday, but a whole lot more rainier. Rain does quickly return, but it does look like we might get lucky enough to step out the door on a dry no early tomorrow. Here's what 8:30 looks like. Those showers then start to move in as we get closer to about 9:45, 10 o'clock. Pockets of heavy rain possible, but really just spotty in nature. That scattered rain will continue through lunch and even into parts of your late afternoon. Here's 4:30. Then they start to move on out. We dry out overnight. Early Friday morning, we're not only dry, but cloud cover will also start to move out. Sure, we see sunshine taking over, but then cooler temperatures return. Overnight lows by Saturday night drop into the low 30s. With calmer winds, some of us may even drop a few degrees below freezing, so we have a chance of seeing frost. And on average, the last spring night to see frost is April 27th, so a little bit earlier than that, but still in for quite the cool down. Temperatures do end up dropping upper 50s tomorrow as that rain moves through. We're nice and sunny, but cooler. 55 on Friday, 51 on Saturday. There are those cool overnight lows. We do end up bouncing back, though, mid to upper 50s by Sunday, with a chance for that morning frost still within the 30s overnight into Monday morning, but then we start to recover. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, we're back to the 60s by Monday, and then we look to stay in that territory through most of next week with some more chances for rain. Manny.